So you have not communicated with the Chief Minister regarding our demands?
No, so that will be decided. Actually,
No, but you were here in the office, we have discussed with you, you were supposed to inform your authority and discuss with us, but you have not done that.
I have discussed the matter with the Honorable Minister. I have discussed the matter with the Honorable Minister, and Honorable Minister has given me the decision, and that was informed to you.
No, where is the official we have never seen that you have forwarded the letter. We have not seen whether you have forwarded the letters or not. We have submitted so many memorandums, but we have not seen whether you have submitted or not.
Actually, you may ask the Honorable Minister. I am not bound to show you the written letters. What he informed me, I have informed you. Actually, if you feel necessary, you will come tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Whenever you like, you come to me and talk with me.
No, how many times, how long will be coming?
That is different. I have informed you the decision given by the Honorable Minister. Then what can I say more? You say.
No, we are sitting here. We are protesting here. You should have spoken to the Chief Minister and inform us. You have not informed us.
I have informed you.
No.
What the Honorable Minister informed me, I have informed you that you maintain status quo of the board. This is the decision of the Honorable Minister, and already been informed to you by me.
No,
you went to me for giving your representation.
Where is the letter that the Minister has sent?
I think letter need not be given. My verbal information is sufficient in my opinion.
We have sent you. We have given you memorandums. We have not spoken to you verbally itself. So I don't think in verbally. So it is not. No, it is not satisfactory. It is not satisfactory. Verbal is not satisfactory, sir.
Then it is. Verbally you dissatisfactory now, then you can do whatever you like. You may complain the Honorable Minister against me that he has not given the written decision.
I am not talking about your decision, sir. Whether you have forwarded our letter to the Education Minister, that's what we are asking. We have not forwarded. Whether you have forwarded or not.
I must not answer this question. This is my affair, and you cannot ask this question to me. This is beyond your jurisdiction.
Hello.
So our letters are just laying down in your office.
Hello.
You can do. This is your democratic right. Whatever you
whatever we have submitted, our memorandums are useless to you. That means you have no respect for us. There is no justice. So no. That means you discriminate us. There is no justice, which means. তোমরা শুধু একটা কথা বলছো, আমি তোমাদের বারবার বলছি, তোমাদের ডিসিশন আমি জানিয়েছি,
মন্ত্রী আমাকে যেটা বলেছেন সেটাও তোমাদের জানিয়েছি।
Yes, but that was verbally, sir. That is verbal.
কেন বলছো আমি তোমাদের সম্মান করছি না? তোমাদের প্রত্যেকটা জানিয়ে আমি গেছি, ডিসিশন নিয়ে তোমাদেরও জানিয়েছি।
But you have,
আমি
sir.
I can't do.
But sir, you have not forwarded our memorandum to the Chief Minister.
How can you know that I did not forward your memorandum?
So
How have you come to this decision that I did not forward your memorandum?
no, we have been speaking to you. You have not. You said you met only. You talked to him physically. You only spoke verbally. You said.